So today I want to take you to see this 5-bedroom duplex in a very serene estate located in Ajah, Lagos.
Exelproperties property right. Exelproperties right. Property right. Exelproperties right. Property right. Exelproperties right. Property right. Quality apartments, sure investments, happy clients, real experience. We've been doing this for.
So come with me, let me show you how it looks. Right. So this is a very wide space. In some properties, it's a very narrow edge to go around it, but we've got a very massive space here where you can walk. This leads us to the boys' quarters. So it's a 5-bedroom with a boys' quarters that is en suite and a swimming pool. So let us see the backyard. So at the back here, we have got our swimming pool. Right now it is drained because of nobody has bought it. So it leads us to the kitchen door. This is the back door through the kitchen that I will show you. I will explain to you in the video when we go inside. And then this is the side, and you can see we have got greenery. We have got greenery that is live here. I know you all love greenery. So you can see another white space right here. This is a fully detached building, 5-bedroom duplex, and right now it is selling for 350 million naira. It's a smart home. We've got beautiful speakers, lightings, automated doors. This is what I know you're going to love. So stick with me to the end of this video and make your decision. So this is how it looks like. So this is our beautiful 5-bedroom welcome home. I love this security door. It is actually over 7 feet. And it's a strong security door. So this brings us into this very, very massive living area. I love the floor to ceiling height. I love the POP and the beautiful lighting, the sound, the speakers. This is a beautiful smart home. So let me show you the other rooms. Remember, this is a 5-bedroom duplex selling right now in Ajah, Lagos. Right here, we have our guest toilet. Anybody that wants to ease themselves, we've got you covered. And I love this beautiful space. You can have your wine bar here. You can do a lot of beautiful things right under this staircase. And this takes us to the guest room. This is the guest room here. And all rooms are en suites. All the rooms here are en suites, the guest toilets, and they've got their wardrobes. Now let me show you the kitchen. The most beautiful part of every home for every woman is the kitchen. And this is why I love this very well-spaced kitchen with beautiful storage, as in enough storage. We have everything that you need will be able to be stored right here. And it is fully fitted with your heat extractor, the 5-burner gas cooker. And then we have the microwave and the oven right there, the space for the washing machine right there. And then that's a storage for the pantry for your food stuff. It's actually a very functional kitchen. So this is what we're selling here. I love the beautiful lighting, the chandeliers. Let's go upstairs and let's see what we have got here. It's a 5-bedroom duplex and it is really, really nice. So let me take you right upstairs. I love our floating light staircase that I've got right here. It makes the home very beautiful. So let's see the other 4 rooms. Okay, so from our beautiful staircase, we land in this small space that we can use for a family lounge. You can put your TV and some chairs. And then let's see how the other rooms look. I like to do my master's bedroom last, saving the best for last. So this is one of our rooms. All our rooms are en suites with proper sanitary wares, very good quality. And then let's see the second room upstairs. This is another very spacious room here for your children. I love this flows. It flows into this. You see the good quality doors and sanitary wares used here. You know that this developer is not giving you low quality materials. They are building with class and good quality. So that's the second room on the top stairs on the first floor. Then the third room right here, okay, is bigger than the other 2 that we have seen, and even the bathroom has more space. So that's the third room with the wardrobe. And then we'll now go see the master's bedroom. Come with me. Voila! This is our master's bedroom. I really like this. Keys and has a wardrobe system. Very nice for your suits. You can hang whatever you want to hang right here. This is really, really lovely. And then you can have your shoes here. It's really, really beautiful. And then this is the living room. And there's a beautiful balcony right there where you can put your cane chairs. It's actually quite spacious. And we have our lovely bathroom, well designed with glass, so that you and madam can enter into your lovely bathroom and do what you need to do. The bathroom, we have a shower cubicle, and we have got the bathtub, and we have got the his and has wash hand sinks right here. This is a lovely and cute bathroom. So this is just a small short tour of this 5-bedroom. And where is it? This 5-bedroom duplex is located in Sango-Tedo, Ajah, Lagos. Sango-Tedo has one of the most beautiful estates in Lagos right now. Talking about flood, Sango-Tedo is flood free. Most of our estates are well planned. And right here, I am in Golden Park Estate in Sango-Tedo. It is a flood-free estate. It's an estate that is already functional. People are already living in it. It is self-serviced. So you don't have to worry about the fees on electricity. You can bring your soundproof generator, put your solar panels, and enjoy your living. Water is available. You drive from the express road and straight into your home. Right now, the road in front of this estate, this particular property, is under construction. The construction materials that are going to be used for this road is already on ground. So it's already something that, because a lot of properties are being built right now, so they are waiting for the properties to be at almost completion before the road is fully completed. So it's going to be well tagged, well secured estate with good security. The service charge is very affordable. Everything that you need, you are going to get right here at Golden Park Estate. And this 5-bedroom is currently selling for 350 million naira. It's a 5-bedroom with a swimming pool, and it is a well-built 5-bedroom. Call this number right now. Come and see this for yourself. Come and inspect it, and you can do that virtually or physically. I can guarantee you that you are going to love what you are seeing. Call me today so that we can close this, because we only have got 2 units, and you don't want to hear that somebody else called me first. Thank you so much for watching this channel. My name is Iluyinka Adeyemi, your #1 caring realtor, and on this channel you are sure to grow your wealth through real estate. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell so you'll always know whenever I bring you updates and videos like this one. Thank you once again for watching this video, and bye for now.